What is up, Geeks 4x4? Today we are out here at Trail Hero this week. We have got Jillian from Jillian Adventures. I'm going to put a link right up there to her channel. This is where the expedition went. I know that the expedition video has been doing well, and you guys are probably wondering what happened to the expedition. Well, it is Jillian's. I built it for her. She has a bunch of kids, and she loves to get out and adventure. So we did that build for it. The link will be at the end of the video if you are interested to see what the build was. But how many miles? You said you think you have 25,000 on it?
Yeah.
Now, in 2 years?
Year and a half.
Dang, she's putting miles on it. Year and a half, she's had it, 25,000 miles, all adventure stuff. So it's been getting used and beat up, which is what we built it for. She has been on 6 rated trails. She has been places where she knows she probably shouldn't have been, but she went there and she made it, and it's pretty awesome. And when she didn't make it, she called Matt's Off-Road Recovery and kind of became a little famous on Matt's Off-Road Recovery. So anyway, we're just going to do a quick, questions with her, see how she's doing. Just kind of an overview of what the build ended up like. So I never did the final build video. So I'm gonna end this for you guys. But yeah, so just an overview of how it turned out. I turned the torsion bars on the front to match the Daystar kit in the back. So it ended up with like a 2-inch lift. It works pretty well. We took the front sway bar off last year at Trail Hero, and she's felt like it flexed better with that off. So no front sway bar, still drives down the road okay. And then I cut the front bumper up, and it's still been customized past that by Jillian using it, which is great. And I think the only big damage, there's no mirror on that side, and this mirror needs to be fixed, but she's working on that. And 295, 75, 16 Nitto. And we think they have like 25,000 miles on them. We're not super impressed with the wear. It seems like they got, I don't know, only 40% tread left or 30% tread left. So she's gonna need new tires here pretty soon. But yeah, how's it been?
It's been awesome. My kids love coming out with me. We go out and just have a lot of fun. It's kind of fun to see people's expressions when they see a Ford Expedition out there doing trails that we really shouldn't be doing, but we have fun with it.
You're doing it.
And yeah, we keep right up with most of the people. I've had a couple of things we've been stuck, but
yeah. I mean, Matt's Off-Road Recovery is right here, so it is what it is. So, what is your favorite part about getting out, or what is like advice for somebody thinking about getting out?
So the best thing is just to learn what you can do, and then just experience. I'm doing stuff now that I would have scared the pants off me and maybe stopped me a couple of years ago. And so it's just when you start to learn the capabilities of the vehicle and then build your capabilities, it's just kind of fun to see where you can go and just build on the knowledge that you have. It's great doing these kind of like Trail Hero and Winter 4x4, because then you get to have people spot you, so you kind of go beyond what you would normally feel like.
Totally. And
so it gives you a chance to really test the vehicle. There's things that I've done on these that I would never trust to do on my own.
That's very true. That's very true.
Yeah.
What do you feel like is the best thing about wheeling an expedition?
Honestly, I think it's just, I can fit all my kids.
Big deal.
So that's nice. The other thing is it really is fun. Half the fun is just having people be surprised where we get.
Mm-hmm.
I've had people chase me down. Mom, we missed soccer practice. A lot of jokes about it. But even Matt from Matt's Off-Road Recovery told me that he was not surprised anymore on the places I take it.
Yeah, that's very true. What did you think is the worst part about wheeling an expedition?
It's size. It definitely limits on what you can and can't do. The wheelbase is a lot larger on this, so there's some trails that you can't make it. Also, the clearance isn't the greatest.
Yeah,
we can make it bigger.
We're gonna work on that. We're getting there. Yeah. Slowly but surely, right?
Slowly but surely. Got to get some rock sliders.
Yeah. So what are you kind of went into that? What are the next things that you feel like you really need? We just kind of set this up for a basic, see where you're at, and then what are your plans for the next thing?
So I would love to be able to build up the bumper, eventually get a winch on it, get the rock sliders on, and eventually, if we can build it up a little bit, put more of a lift on it and being able to get bigger tires. We may eventually have to gear if we get too much bigger. We may have to change the gearing, but
yeah, this thing is gonna always be, I think, around, and
it's
always,
a tank.
Yeah, it's a tank, man. It's so good. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. And if we saw you at Trail Hero, it was awesome to meet you. Did the first Geeks 4x4 official run. So thank you to Trail Hero and those guys for letting me do that. Thank you to Jillian. Like I said, I'm going to put another link right here for you guys. She has her own YouTube channel. She does some really cool stuff, painting rocks and just like family adventures and stuff like that. So go check her out. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see ya.